Hello and welcome back to the garden. The postman's been. He's delivered me a big package. As you can see, Ruby's interested in the package. Well, briefly anyway. The package is over a metre tall, which always causes me some excitement. Stick with me while we open it up and see what's inside. So I've just opened the box and here it is in all its glory. Yucca rostrata. Look at it, magnificent. I've just measured it, including the pot. It's about 1 metre 10 tall. Absolutely lovely condition. Came from Hardy Palms, which are down in Bristol, I believe. Nigel, I've had various plants from him before and they're always top quality. I've never had a bad one yet. I have a couple of smaller specimens of this Yucca rostrata, the same plant, but I wanted a big one. My previous garden was a jungle garden. I had foliage, big leaves everywhere. I'm going for a slightly different feel with the new garden. I'm going to have an arid area, and this is going to take one of the pride of place positions. Magnificent plant. Comes from the lower parts of America, into Mexico. Likes a dryish climate, but it can tolerate moisture a lot better than some other arid type plants can. When I do the raised bed, which I'm not working on yet, I'm still laying slabs. If you've watched previous videos, you'll know I'm changing the paving. My new arid bed is all part of the paving project. I haven't quite got to building it up yet, but when I do, I'm going to build it up at least 30 centimetres, maybe 50 centimetres, incorporate loads of grit, gravel and free drain and stuff, and I'm going to plant the more arid looking and arid liking plants into that. I'll cover that in a later video when I get that far. I've still got a few weekends of slab laying or stone laying yet to go, so not quite that far yet. But liking my plants as I do, when this came up available, it was on the website. You get the actual plant that was in the picture. I think it was £139, which for a plant that size, which is a statement piece, I think is quite reasonable, really, considering how many years it's taken to get to that size. As you can see in the breeze just fluttering through the leaves now, and the sun just reflecting on it, looks absolutely lovely. So there we are, unboxing a new plant for the garden. Spiky plants are a bit new to me, really. I've grown the odd agave in a pot for several years, but I'm looking forward to the experiment with the more spiky members of the plant kingdom. So there you have it, Yucca rostrata. Arrived today, just unboxed it, and I'm absolutely thrilled with it. If you want one, have a look on the website. There was another couple available when I last looked, but well worth getting for a very reasonable price. That's it for now with Yucca rostrata, and I'll catch you next time at Heathcroft Exotic Garden.